Let him go.
All right. Are we good for the drag?
Yeah, good.
Set?
Yeah.
All right.
So lift up and wind as you go down. Lift up slow,
Slow.
Slow.
wind as you go down.
Beautiful.
Wine go down.
No. This one just got so much drag on it. Take the little feathers.
There we go, buddy.
Drag set. Should we put it tighter?
No. You just work it at the drag.
Easy tire.
If he's pulling, let him take line. Don't.
Yeah. Definitely set that.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Set, brother. The muscles have got a bit of a workout right now, I tell you, boy. Woo!
Spanish short. Wow, the slayer.
Do you want me to?
If you can, with your thumb, just put it left to right.
Yeah, he's going to run. I've got a big blister on my thumb from the GT before. Those motherfuckers are hurting me. Oh yeah. Pulling now. Right, here he goes. He's going to go again.
That first run was like a while.
Definitely just keep the drag as set.
Yeah. We don't know how well it's hooked.
Yeah, copy. Oh, you fucking me, man. The arms, eh? The arms, bro. Jesus fucking Christ. This is fucking mad.
That's your fish, bro.
Just say.
Get him in, man. Bring him home.
He's out there, brother.
Bring him home, buddy. Bring him home.
A little while until he's home. Fucking hell. The drugs are so hard to pull, and that's pulling. Like, if only people at home understood, like, you know what I mean, when I show my friends this, they don't realise that I can't even pull that fucking drag. Whew.
Good size fish, bro.
Fuck me.
Easy on the pull-up.
Don't film this.
Easy on the pull-up, buddy.
Nice and easy.
Yeah, nice slow one, because that's how you get retrieve the.
Exactly.
That's right. Hey,
Whoa!
see you later, buddy. Oi, oh yeah, he's out there.
One.
Yeah, he's still up. He was a good jump.
Still there?
Yeah, 100%.
Bring him home, buddy.
He's going that way. Come on. This one's mine. I'm fucking not letting it fucking go.
Pulling line.
Let him go.
Holy cunt. Look at him go out there. Wait.
Lift up slow. Just try and gain on him a bit. That's it, right? Wind down. He went airborne twice.
Take me home.
Gaining on him now.
Yeah, mate.
Oh no, he's on.
Yeah, one.
Yeah, I think so. It was very heavy just then. Yeah, that's good to go. That can't be that hard to pull in. If it's just a fucking bait. Feels like you've got a bit killer. Could he be getting tired? Still there? Yeah, oh yeah, he's. Yeah, he's pulling now.
Hey. Go.
Pour the water on me.
Go, 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 go.
Pour the fucking
Get away,
water
get
on me,
away.
Dad.
The nigga's heating up right now, bro.
Yeah, baby. Shit. Fuck. Oh my God, son. That's Shay.
You thought you had him for a second there.
Look at him out there, baby.
Gonski.
I've got a stiffy. Woo. Oh, fuck.
Oh, fuck. Come in the mushroom.
Yeah. Come on, motherfucker.
Him up.
I've seen him. Got some colour. Ooh. Fuck me! Holy cunt! He's gone, look at him! There, he's a nice one! Hey, come on. You are mine, baby. Oh, it's fucking
fuck.
big, bro.
Yeah. Another fish and I get him one.
How can I get this cunt?
Beautiful. Beautiful Spanish, mate. Beautiful Spanish.
He's running, he's just running.
No shit.
Fucking oath. Fucking oath. He's over there.
Good work, buddy. Good work.
Come on this way, come on this way.
You're gaining, you're gaining.
His fucking hand's never been more tight in his life, huh? Walu or barracuda?
Oh, big kuda.
Oh, barra.
Big fucking kuda. Why? Wasn't fighting hard for a barracuda?
Cunt's killing me, you know?
There.
There he is.
There.
The colour.
There.
Pull him up. He might take off again, huh?
Go, go.
Bring home.
Right, stop there. Stop there, stop.
Yep. Holy cunt. Hey! Good shot, bro. Fucking oath. Holy cunt. Can't wait to go far with that bad boy. Thanks, brothers. These are the men.
He got what he wanted. Sick car.
I am fucking rooted, lad. Holy shit. Sorry, man.
All good, all good. I'll give you that there.
Grabbing me?
Yeah.
Got him? Yep. Oh my god, cunt! Oh my
In
fucking
the boat,
god.
in the boat, brother. Yo!
Get some good portrait shots of that one as well.